Good morning, it's Wednesday, October the 6th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced show, bringing you the best press releases, along with the halts at the open so that you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Folks, I have two great press releases for you this morning, both out of the Canadian side, both out of the resource sector. I've also got one halt to report on the second segment of our show. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our lead story comes out of a company called Fire River Gold. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol FAU. They're no stranger to AGORACOM TV. And disclaimer time, they are an AGORACOM client. However, as always, the news stands on its own 2 feet, and with gold breaking through $1,300 an ounce, these are the kind of press releases you want to pay attention to. So, Fire River Gold, they're announcing their mineral resource estimate for their Nixon Fork gold mine, which is located in Alaska. We've got some numbers here. In the indicated resource category, we've got 128,500 ounces of contained gold. And in the inferred resource category, we've got 74,600 ounces of gold. So that gives us just over 200,000 ounces of gold on the property. Additionally, the company continues their ongoing 28,000 meter drill program to expand the resource. So great start for Fire River Gold. They have the infrastructure in place for the resource. So this is a company that interests you, and if gold interests you, take a look. You can find them on AGORACOM. Just put in the symbol FAU or type in Fire River in the search box to get more information. Now, a little bit about the company. They're a near-term production company with experienced technical team focused on bringing its flagship project, the Nixon Fork gold mine, which we just discussed, back into production within the next 12 months. Company's last at 49, high of 75, low of 34, market cap of approximately $29 million. Moving on to our next company, Alexco Resources. They trade on the TSX. That's the big board under the symbol AXR. The company is announcing additional drill results from its 2010 core drilling program at the Keno Hill Silver District in Canada's Yukon Territory. It's an exploration infill drilling in the area of the historical Onek underground and open pit mine, which has identified an upper silver-rich zone of mineralization. We got some big silver numbers, and with silver breaking through the $21, $22 mark, these are the kind of companies that you want to pay attention to. The company is announcing they've got complete and partial results which have been received for 18 of 20 holes, and I've got some highlights which include, this is the big one, hole number 265, which returned 1,500 grams per ton of silver. So that's right, 1,500 grams per ton of silver, 1 gram per ton of gold, 18% lead, 3% zinc, and this is over 10.5 meters, so very substantial numbers, and this comes at a depth of 54 meters, so relatively shallow. A little bit about the company. Their business is to unlock value and manage risk at mature, closed, or abandoned mine sites through integration and implementation of the company's core competencies. So it looks like they squeeze every last dollar out of mines which were inefficiently run or ready to close. Company's last at $4.89. High of $5.08, low of $2.53, market cap of approximately $260 million. Finally, moving on to the halts, I've got one for you. 99 Capital Corp. trades on the venture under the symbol WDG. The company is halted pending news. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for joining us. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. If you're looking for more small cap opportunities, especially in the resource sector, go to the front page of agoracom.com. Look under our marketplace where you'll find a number of great opportunities. That's a wrap for today's show. Thanks for joining us. Make sure to join us again here tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts in the AM for you.